How are you? Jambo sana Speaker. How are you? Jambo sana. Maria mwagani mwani. Aya, ashato oleng. Ayieu nayana nafasi noshi naji Railway Corporation, Kenya Railway Corporation, dolta ajo Nyanza. Ore ni adolene imina na railway ahiye edida na basabesa amana aimuriwe ne.
All the way to Kisumu, we are going to cover about 269 kilometers, and we have said 98 kilometers are in Narok County. And we have identified the entire route, and we know who is supposed to be compensated. But National Land Commission, as His Excellency has said, is now on the ground working on details of who should be compensated and how they should be compensated. Thank you.
And this morning, we held a meeting whereby we are discussing starting again the railway that is going to be passing through our 4 constituencies. That is Narok East, Narok North, Narok South, and Narok West. And also it's going to pass more than about 8 wards, starting from Kekonyokie, Mosiro, Narok Town, and then Ngareta, Ololulunga, and then Ermotio Ward. By now, you all know that His Excellency the President, during his development tour, he had announced that the railway is going to be started again. It will be passing through Narok, Bomet, Kericho, and then to Homa Bay, to Nyanza, and then to Malaba. So for us as the people of Narok, we are happy with this initiative. You all know that the railway that started a few years ago, it ended from nowhere. And we were really looking forward to see whether it can even just reach Narok town. But now we are happy that it's even going to extend all the way to Bomet and then en route to Nyanza.